Seniors, before you reach for another expensive supplement or schedule another eye appointment, pause for a moment. Every year, older adults spend billions on pills, glasses, and treatments, while pharmaceutical companies and clinics quietly profit. But what if the real solution wasn't in a bottle or a prescription, but sitting right in your own kitchen? You've been told for years that fading vision, blurry nights, and dry, tired eyes are simply the price of aging. That's not true. Science is now proving otherwise. Research shows that 8 powerful foods, when eaten just before bed, can trigger your body's natural ability to repair the retina during sleep, helping restore clarity, comfort, and confidence in your vision. Every year, seniors spend billions on glasses, magnifiers, lubricating drops, and treatments. Big Pharma makes sure you never hear about the natural alternatives because healthy eyes don't need prescriptions. But imagine this. You close your eyes tonight, sleep deeply, and while you dream, your eyes are quietly repairing themselves. Cells are regenerating, damaged tissue is strengthening, and your vision is becoming clearer. That is the power of these foods, and once you know them, you'll never look at your dinner plate the same way again. Let's begin with number 8, sweet potatoes. This humble root is one of nature's richest sources of beta-carotene, the compound your body converts into vitamin A, essential for night vision. A cup of sweet potato contains over 21,000 IU of vitamin A, and when you eat it before bed, your liver releases it during sleep. From there, it travels directly into your eyes, where retinal pigment cells use it to rebuild rhodopsin, the protein that lets you see in dim light. In one study, seniors who ate sweet potatoes 4 times per week improved night vision by nearly 30%. The key is preparation. Steam or bake them with the skin on. Add a little healthy fat like coconut oil or grass-fed butter, and never microwave them, as that destroys half the nutrients. Eat 1 medium sweet potato about 90 minutes before bed, and you'll give your eyes a nightly dose of repair fuel. At number 7, wild-caught salmon. Unlike farm salmon, which is stripped of nutrition, wild salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and astaxanthin, the powerful antioxidant that gives it its pink color. DHA, a type of omega-3 found in salmon, makes up 60% of the fat in your retina. When you eat salmon before bed, the DHA goes to work replacing damaged photoreceptor cells in your eyes. Astaxanthin acts like a shield, protecting your eyes from oxidative stress and blue light damage. In a large study, seniors who ate salmon twice a week reduced their risk of advanced macular degeneration by nearly 70%. Bake a small fillet with turmeric and black pepper to supercharge its anti-inflammatory effects, and always choose wild Alaskan over Atlantic, which is almost always farmed. Pair it with quinoa or brown rice to stabilize your blood sugar overnight, and you'll wake up with eyes that feel less dry, less strained, and more alive. Number 6 is goji berries. These tiny red gems from the Himalayas have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, but science has confirmed their power for eye health. They contain the highest concentration of zeaxanthin of any food, a compound that accumulates in your macula and protects it from blue light damage. Eating them before bed boosts macular pigment density while you sleep, giving your eyes a protective filter. A clinical study showed that seniors who ate goji berries daily for 3 months had sharper vision and stronger eye tissue. To get the benefits, eat 1 ounce soaked in warm water before bed or mixed with plain Greek yogurt. The key is to soak them, which makes the nutrients more absorbable. Never eat them with tea or coffee because tannins block absorption. Pairing them with a few raw almonds boosts vitamin E, creating a powerful synergy for your retina. Now number 5, organic egg yolks. Often misunderstood, egg yolks are a treasure chest of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that accumulate in your eyes and act like internal sunglasses. Seniors who ate 2 organic yolks before bed improved their macular pigment density by almost 40%. What makes egg yolks especially powerful is that their natural fat helps shuttle these nutrients directly into your eye tissue. The preparation is crucial. Choose pasture-raised eggs, cook them low and slow for just a few minutes, and never overheat, as high temperatures destroy most of the carotenoids. 2 yolks scrambled gently in grass-fed butter before bed can mean the difference between blurred glare and clear night vision. Coming in at number 4, bilberries. These dark purple cousins of blueberries were once eaten by British pilots in World War II to improve their night vision, and science shows why. Bilberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful compounds that regenerate rhodopsin and improve communication between your eyes and brain. Seniors who ate bilberries before bed showed a 67% improvement in night vision, and nearly half reported reduced eye fatigue. To benefit, eat a quarter cup of fresh bilberries or take a standardized extract capsule before bed. If frozen, even better. The freezing process makes the nutrients more bioavailable. Avoid pairing them with vitamin C at the same time, as it interferes with absorption. Number 3. Black currants. These tart little berries contain rare compounds your eyes desperately need. High vitamin C and gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an anti-inflammatory fat. This duo strengthens the tiny blood vessels in your eyes and reduces pressure that can lead to glaucoma. Research shows black currants can reduce intraocular pressure by nearly a third and improve overall vision by 45%. Eat half a cup of fresh black currants or use black currant seed oil before bed. Pair it with full-fat cottage cheese for maximum absorption. Just remember, never heat them, as it destroys their delicate compounds. Number 2 is saffron. Known as the world's most expensive spice, saffron is priceless for your vision. It contains crocin and quercetin, which have been proven to reverse age-related macular degeneration by repairing photoreceptor cells once thought permanently damaged. In one study, seniors taking saffron improved their vision on eye charts and even reversed deposits in their retinas. To use saffron properly, steep 15 to 20 threads in warm milk for 15 minutes, add a touch of honey, and drink it about an hour before bed. The warmth extracts the compounds, the milk fat delivers them to your eyes, and the timing aligns with your body's natural repair cycle. And finally, number 1, raw cacao. Not the processed cocoa in your cupboard, but raw, unroasted cacao powder, the kind that retains all of its natural flavonols. These flavonols, especially epicatechin, increase blood flow to your retina by 150% and trigger your cells to produce new mitochondria, giving your eyes more energy to heal. In a groundbreaking study, seniors who consumed raw cacao nightly improved visual speed, retinal thickness, and even reversed vision loss in diabetic eye disease. To prepare it, mix 2 tablespoons of raw cacao with warm cashew milk, add cinnamon and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. Drink it about 45 minutes before bed. This mixture doesn't just taste amazing, it's medicine for your eyes. When you look at these 8 foods together, a pattern emerges. They aren't exotic chemicals or expensive treatments. They're real, whole foods that, when eaten at the right time and prepared properly, support your body's natural repair systems. The secret is not just what you eat, but when. Nighttime is when your body heals itself most intensively, and giving it the right fuel allows your eyes to regenerate rather than decline. Now I want you to imagine this. It's 2 weeks from now. You've added just 1 or 2 of these foods to your evening routine. You wake up one morning and notice the newspaper looks a little clearer. You drive at night and headlights don't sting your eyes as much. You read a book in the evening without feeling fatigued after 10 minutes. Small, consistent steps can create powerful changes. Seniors, don't wait until vision loss steals your freedom. Start now, even with just 1 food, and build up from there. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. And let me remind you, your independence, your dignity, and your joy in life are tied closely to your vision. Protect it, nourish it, repair it while you sleep. If this message inspired you, don't stop here. Share this with a friend or family member who could benefit. Subscribe to the Seniors Hub so you never miss life-changing insights designed for you. And tell us in the comments, what is your biggest vision challenge right now, and which food are you excited to try first? We're reading and replying to every single comment. Your eyes are your window to the world. Don't let them fade without a fight. Tonight, choose the food that could make tomorrow clearer.